In this video, we're going to help you build a life you truly love. Today, we're diving into a topic many stress about but few master: money. Getting your money right is empowering. It's about creating freedom, security, and options. I've distilled years of research into 7 simple, non-negotiable money rules. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Let's start with the golden rule: pay yourself first. This simple idea is the foundation of financial success, yet it's often overlooked. When you get paid, before you spend a single dollar on bills, groceries, or entertainment, set aside a portion for your own future. Think of it as rewarding yourself for your hard work and making your financial well-being a top priority. Most people pay everyone else first: landlords, utility companies, credit cards, and only hope there's something left for themselves at the end of the month. This approach often leads to stress, frustration, and an endless cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Paying yourself first means prioritizing your future by saving and investing before paying bills. It's about making your goals non-negotiable and treating your savings like any other essential expense. The easiest way to make this happen is to automate the process. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account as soon as your paycheck arrives. This way, you remove the temptation to spend what you should be saving. Start with a manageable percentage, even if it's just 1% of your income. The key is to begin, no matter how small the amount may seem. Over time, these small contributions add up and build momentum. As your income grows or your expenses decrease, gradually increase the percentage you save. Challenge yourself to boost your savings rate every few months, even if it's just by a little. The ultimate goal is to save and invest at least 10 to 20% of your income. This may sound ambitious, but with consistency and time, it becomes achievable and life-changing. This habit is the difference between building real wealth and being stuck in a cycle of financial stress. Paying yourself first creates a safety net, opens doors to opportunities, and gives you peace of mind. Take action today. Log into your bank account and set up that automatic transfer. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now, and let your future self thank you. By paying yourself first, you're not just saving money, you're making a commitment to your dreams, your goals, and your financial peace of mind. Start today, and watch your future transform. Now that you're paying yourself first, it's time to take the next crucial step on your financial journey. This is where real progress begins, and it all comes down to how you manage what you have. Let's talk about rule number 2. Live below your means. This isn't just about spending less, it's about making intentional choices that set you up for long-term success. Create a gap between your income and expenses. This surplus is your power. The bigger the gap, the more options you have, and the faster you can reach your goals. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't let your spending automatically rise just because your income does. It's easy to get caught up in wanting more, but true wealth comes from restraint and discipline. Track your income and expenses for a month to see where your money goes. Use budgeting tools or simple spreadsheets to get a clear picture of your habits. Make conscious choices about what's important to you. Before every purchase, ask yourself if it truly adds value to your life, or if it's just a fleeting desire. Align your spending with your values, not with societal expectations or pressure from friends and social media. Remember, your financial journey is unique to you. Living below your means reduces stress and provides a financial buffer. It gives you peace of mind, knowing you have a cushion for unexpected events. It allows you to handle emergencies without panic, and gives you the freedom to say no to jobs or situations that don't align with your values. The bigger the gap between your earnings and your spending, the more freedom and flexibility you have to pursue what truly matters to you, whether that's travel, time with loved ones, or new opportunities. Challenge yourself to widen this gap every month. Even small changes add up over time, and each step brings you closer to financial independence and peace of mind. You're paying yourself first and living below your means. Now invest that surplus. Saving alone isn't enough. Inflation erodes purchasing power. Invest early and consistently to harness the power of compound interest. Time is your most valuable asset in wealth creation. Start investing now, even with a small amount. Use dollar-cost average. Invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. Open an account with a low-cost brokerage, and invest in diversified index funds. Automate your investments like your savings. Let time and consistency grow your wealth. Your future self will thank you. Relying on a single income source is risky. If you depend on just one paycheck, a sudden job loss or unexpected expense can leave you feeling vulnerable and stressed. Life is unpredictable, and having only one way to earn money puts your financial well-being on shaky ground. Diversify your income streams to build a financial safety net. Just like a sturdy stool needs more than one leg to stand, your finances need multiple sources of income to stay balanced and secure. Create multiple ways for money to flow into your life. Think of your income as a river that can branch out into several streams, each one adding to your overall wealth and stability. Consider active income streams like freelancing, consulting, or even part-time work. These options let you use your skills and experience to earn extra money outside your main job. Explore passive income options like writing an ebook, creating an online course, or licensing your creative work. These can generate money for you even while you sleep. Investment income, such as dividends from stocks or rental income from property, is another powerful way to grow your wealth over time. These streams can provide steady cash flow with less day-to-day effort. Start small with a side hustle that aligns with your skills or passions. Whether it's baking, graphic design, tutoring, or selling handmade crafts, every little bit helps and can grow into something bigger. Even a small trickle of extra income builds confidence and provides cash to invest. Over time, these small streams can add up, giving you more freedom and peace of mind. Diversifying income reduces risk and increases earning potential. With more sources, you're less likely to be caught off guard by life's surprises. Build a foundation of true financial security by creating and nurturing multiple income streams. The more you diversify, the stronger and more resilient your financial future will be. Debt can build or destroy wealth. Know the difference. Good debt is an investment in your future, like a mortgage or student loan. Bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt, is a wealth killer. Avoid bad debt that loses value or is consumed immediately. If you have bad debt, prioritize eliminating it quickly. Use the debt avalanche method. Pay off high-interest debt first. Stop accumulating bad debt from this day forward. Free yourself from the chains of bad debt. Focus on building wealth, not paying for past purchases. Make a pact to avoid bad debt and secure your financial future. Finance is ever evolving. Commit to lifelong learning. Your financial education starts now. It's a valuable asset. The more you know, the better decisions you make. Dedicate time each week to increasing financial literacy. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow reputable experts. Find reliable sources and make learning a regular habit. Schedule time for financial education, just like exercise. Knowledge empowers you to navigate financial challenges. It pays dividends by helping you protect and grow your wealth. Never stop being a student. Your future self depends on it. Set clear financial goals to give your efforts direction. A goal is specific and measurable, not a vague wish. Without clear goals, your financial efforts lack purpose. Goals are your financial GPS, guiding every decision. Make goals SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Write down short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. Review them regularly to keep them top of mind. Goals provide motivation and guide financial choices. Ask if a purchase moves you closer to your goal. Clear goals are the North Star of your wealth journey.